What's up, guys? It's been a minute since we've had a truck or car video, and today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be removing a 2008 Mustang stereo from the console and fixing it because I believe there's a false connection which results in the stereo shorting out. So we're going to go ahead and try and fix that, and yeah, I'll take you along for that. So let's go ahead and get started and jump in this video. And remove this in the middle, and to do that we're gonna have to take out these sockets right here. I mean these little nuts right here. Let's go ahead and start that shit. What's wrong with this and why I'm doing this is because, do you hear? This radio will eventually turn off on its own, and it'll say there's like a problem. I think it already did with it. Yeah, it did already. See how you can't hear anything? You have to hire it really loud. And that's because of the false connection. What happens is when you're driving, it when it moves and it shakes, the wires will probably disconnect, and they're not making a good connection. So it disconnects, and you can't listen to the radio. So what I'm doing is I'm gonna go ahead and pull the whole radio out, see what's wrong with it in the back side of it, and see what wiring needs to be fixed, and I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in. But yeah, so let's go ahead and yeah, this is why I'm doing all that. Next thing, now that we got these to come up, now we're gonna go ahead and take this up right here, pull this thing up like that, take it off, set that off to the side, pull the e-brake up, and then all this should be able to slide right out. This off to the back. Yeah, guys, we're tearing apart the car, you know. Had to wiggle it around a little bit. All right, the next thing's, oh, there's a problem. Pull these up. I love that. The whole engine too. Straight up. All of this is supposed to come up. There. Okay. Down out the way. Oh, what it is if they're missing that, look. Supposed to be 6 bolts here, but there wasn't. So this is basically being held on by the connections back here. And to start the removal of the HVAC things, what you're gonna do is there's gonna be a little lever somewhere here. Okay. That should be able to unplug too. Right there. So what we're doing here, guys, is like we're turning. Okay, what we're gonna do is I can't figure out how to take that off, so we're gonna go ahead and just try and pull this radio out right here. I'm doing these 4 bolts. Now we finally got this off. Normally you'd be able to take this off, but it's being a pain in the ass in the back and doesn't want to come out. So I'm gonna go ahead and just try and take out the radio just like this, without it. Let's see if we can. Feeling we're not gonna be able to. Okay. And as you can see here, they didn't even bother to use connections, like a real connection. They just did it all with electrical tape. Let's go inside. let's go actually rewire all of this. So hopefully it'll work like it should be. Okay guys, just like that, we're back inside with all of our tools and everything that we need right here. Got the radio, got the connections. I know these aren't the right connections because they're 10 gauge, but they're the best that it will do right now. So we're gonna go ahead and use them. We got some electrical tape, wire cutters, and the crimpers and everything right there. So we're good. Let's go ahead and get started. And yeah, let's go ahead and put this back in once we're done. And now we done, we put it all back together, made sure all the connections are nice and clean. I went ahead and taped it all together just to make it be neat. And yeah guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put it back in the car. And what? And then that'll be it for this video. Alright guys, so we back. As you can see, I redid all the wiring right here, and hopefully this should be good. Hopefully I didn't mess it up, you know what I mean? If I did, it'd be kind of embarrassing since I'm majoring in electrical engineering. Anyway, let's go ahead and put it back in, and basically what we're doing was we're just gonna do the reverse of what we did to take it out. So let's pop this bitch back in here.
Yeah, so you want to see how to put it back? Just rewind.
Put it a bit. Okay. It's in there good. That right there. Okay. Alright, so we finished putting this back in with these 4 bolts. Now what we're going to do is we're going to reconnect all the wire harnesses back up here. And then after that, we'll be able to start putting the rest of the panels back on. So let's go ahead and sort out this mess behind here and try and plug all the wires back in. That one great. Let's put this thing back in.
Okay.
Get there. So these. Now let's put this on. Get that.
Y'all know what this is.
DatPiff.com world premiere.
Bitch come out here and go both ways. Make her eat so much pussy need lunch break down.
Alright, thank y'all for watching this video. I'm sorry it ended kind of abruptly. My other footage deleted. So your boy had to end it right here. But yeah, I'll have another video for y'all coming in like 4 or 5 days. I just have to edit it, and that footage is also deleted, so your boy is kind of stuck with a half-finished video. But anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and get it figured out. Just have to edit it. I got most of the key components of that video done, so that's fine. I'll figure it out. But yeah, thank y'all for watching this video. I know it's been quite a while since I uploaded a video like this, so I appreciate the support. If y'all drop a like, it's appreciated. Subscribe if you're new, and I'll see y'all in a couple days with that other video. But yeah guys, thank y'all for supporting me and for watching this and for enjoying. I appreciate it.